Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Gabrielle, and today I am introducing a new series on my channel. This series will be the Monday morning cleaning motivation, which I don't know about you, but I always feel like I need some kind of motivation to get my Monday started well. Mondays are always my catch-up day with house cleaning and just cleaning up from the mess from the crazy weekend, because I usually let all of that go. I hope you guys will go ahead and grab your cleaning supplies and join me. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button. If you like this video, hit the like button, and let's go ahead and get started with this cleaning motivation. And I've got my little cleaning buddy right here. Can you say hi? Say hi, guys. So let's get on into it, right? Let's get started cleaning. Let's get started cleaning. Let's get started cleaning.
Hey, bro, don't you look at that? I said, my friend, what you looking at?
This was not working very well, so I just threw Little Man on my back because he was, yeah.
Maybe you can show me out of here. I think she got something in thee. So please forgive my rudeness if I'm tripping over your time. But you look so amazing, and we can be so much more than who we are. So much more than who we are. We can knee deep in while the world just falls apart. At the rise above it all, and we can. Got me saying, hey, girl, will you marry me? 2 kids in a house and live happily. I think we are so meant to be. But she says, wait, you forgot something. Every good thing comes to an end. At least it always happened to me. I'm telling you this now. You don't need to worry, 'cause I got this all down. And we get on together, and we can be so much more than who we are. So much more than who we are. We can knee deep in while the world just falls apart. At the rise above it all, and we can. Whoa, 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 so please forgive my rudeness if I'm tripping over your time. But you look so amazing, and we can be so much more than who we are. So much more than who we are. We can knee deep in while the world just falls apart. At the rise above it all, and we can, and we can be so much more than who we are. So much more than who we are. We can knee deep in while the world just falls apart. At the rise above it all, and we can.
Really thought I would hate having a white duvet cover because I was worried it was going to get dirty all the time, but it's actually been fantastic because all I have to do is sometimes spray it with a pre-wash to get stains out, but otherwise I just bleach the heck out of it and it has been fantastic. Plus it looks super clean, which I love. Yes, clearly I'm already sweating because I've been working like crazy so far. Plus the upstairs is hot.
I just wanna dance and dance till I'm numb and I'm done and I'm ready to the ground. Can you feel it now? When we're dancing to the stars, I just wanna be someone you remember. Like the sun, can't you see my heart is sore and tender? And I just wanna dance and dance till I'm numb and I'm done. Now the rattling has just begun. Can you feel it now? When we're dancing to the stars, can you feel it now? When we're dancing to the stars, I just wanna be someone you remember. Not just one in a million stars. I just wanna dance, dance. Can you feel it now? When we're dancing to the stars, can you feel it now? When we're dancing to the stars. I'm not heading for the stars, driving down the boulevard at night, playing Coldplay on repeat, watching people on the street as I go by. And it doesn't even matter to me where I go, I just feel I need to take a ride. Got my coffee cup to go, and I'm gonna hit the road tonight. Now my wheels in motion,
I don't know about you, but I think I really need to like do one of those cute Pinterest like IKEA table redos because this table needs some love on it. Yeah.
Here I go.
Where you going? Huh?
No, it doesn't even matter to me where I go. Just feel I need to take a ride. I don't know when I'll get back. Keep on going and relax tonight. Now my wheels in motion and my windows open with the wind blowing in my hair. I'm driving down the highway, gonna do this my way. I can feel it in the air. Here I go. I'm not heading for the stars, driving down this boulevard tonight. Yeah, playing Coldplay on repeat, watching people on the street as I go by. Now my wheels in motion and my windows open with the wind blowing in my hair. I'm driving down the highway, gonna do this my way. I can feel it in the air.
Well, my sidekick joined me again. Oh, sweet baby.
Down in the dungeon is all we know, where the shining light we never go into the open. As far as you can see it, wasting there I'm alive, do or die. I'm alive.
Comment down below what your least favorite cleaning chore is, because mine is most definitely emptying the dishwasher. I have no idea why. I just feel like it takes me forever to actually unload when it really doesn't. But yeah, leave a comment down below and tell me. I'm curious.
Taking the lead, now I'm evergreen. My dreams getting bigger than you and me. Do or die. My mind is stretched out on the canopy. My dreams getting bigger than you and me. I'm alive. I do or die. Taking the lead, now I'm evergreen. My dreams getting bigger than you and me. I met him on a sunny day in late July, and everything turned upside down. I almost lost track of time as weeks went by. I couldn't get him off my mind. I told him I want that great love, like standing in the middle of a bonfire. You don't know how you got there, but you hold tight, knowing that you can't get burned. Just tell me how we lost track of everything but each other. I honestly don't know. And tell me how we messed up, drifting away from each other. Didn't wanna let you go. Cause we wanted different things, and I have to deal with it, but it's not easy. So tell me how to let go, cause you really seem to know how to carry on your own. Ever since I got a good look in his eyes, I just knew that he was special. He said he wanted to take it slow, but I couldn't help that I wanted to take it to the next level. Cause I wanted that great love, like standing in the middle of a bonfire. You don't know how you got there, but you hold tight, knowing that you can't get burned. Just tell me how we lost track of everything but each other. I honestly don't know. And tell me how we messed up, drifting away from each other. Didn't wanna let you go. Cause we wanted different things, and I have to deal with it, but it's not easy. So tell me how to let go, cause you really seem to know how to carry on. Sunny day in late July, and everything turned upside down. I almost lost track of time as weeks went by. I couldn't get him off my mind. I couldn't get him off my mind. Lost track of everything but each other. I honestly don't know. And tell me how we messed up, drifting away from each other. Didn't wanna let you go.
Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys were motivated by it, and I will see you guys in next week's Monday morning cleaning motivation video. I hope you guys have a fantastic week, and I'll catch you later. Bye.